Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to the Collage Weekly Planner, week 19. Okay, glad y'all are here. Thank you for coming. So I have some things picked out. Let's just go ahead and see what we need. Let's see. Oh, well, let me just tell you, okay? I'm working in Margarete Miller's Collage Weekly Planner, this one, for 2021. Okay, I will leave the links below. And this is Marguerite designed this to be a planner. However, I use it to keep track of my YouTube videos. So if you missed anything this past week, we of course had the ramble session on Monday. I had journal with me's on Tuesday and Wednesday. I had a glue book magazine harvest yesterday, and today you're watching this. So I hope you have enjoyed this past week's videos. Okay, now let's get into it. All right, so we have a portion of food or drink label. Okay, so I collected some things. And mind you, I'm late again because I'm filming this last night, okay? After work, after dinner, after helping my daughter get Mother's Day things ready for her kids at school, it's been a busy day. But I didn't want to let this go by. No. So here I am. It's like 8 something. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, portion of food, okay? On the day that I was collecting these things, I ate a Kind bar, okay? So there's that. I like the colors in it. A postcard or letter, okay. I have this right here. I had gotten these a long time ago. They're martini. I really don't know anything about martinis, but yeah, they are postcards. So I like the funkiness of them and the colors of them. So I picked 2. I don't know which one I'm gonna use. An advertisement. Well, that can be an advertisement, or this could be an advertisement. Yeah, because they're like posters. They're like postcards that are they're made from like an advertisement, you know? Yeah. So that is one and the same. Okay, something with wheels. I picked this VW bus because I like it. I hope you guys can see it. That was something with wheels. Money, I went and took a Monopoly piece in blue because there's blue there. And then something blue, hello, the money. Okay, so this should be fairly easy, okay? Let's see how easy it is. Okay, I'm not really sure which one I like of this. Because I don't want to cut. Oh, well, I could just do that, right? I think this is going to be a super duper simple one. Just really simple. Or let's go this way. Put this down here. This up here. This over here. Yeah, this is just going to be a really simple one. Really simple one. And then that there. I like all the colors and everything. Yeah, it's a very simple one, and I'm not even putting anything in the background. I'm not doing anything in the background at all. Although I do like this one. Yikes. Okay, let's just move this out of the way. I like how all the colors kind of go together. Okay, yeah, I like that one even better. So, no, I don't like that. I kind of like him like that. Yeah. Or maybe we'll put it like that. And maybe we'll just put this right there. How does that sit with us? I don't know. Okay, well, we're just gonna start gluing, folks. Okay, so that goes about there. All right, let me get my magazine out here. I've got a lot of junk on my desk, as usual. Okay, so we're gonna put the money down first. And the postcard's rather thick. I mean, it doesn't really, you know, doesn't make a difference to me, really. Nope. Because I don't really, I don't know. I don't spend a lot of time thinking about these. Not that you couldn't, you know. But yeah, this is, I love the way that Allison puts it from AJ's Inspired Life. She talks about, you know, it's just like an exercise in creativity, you know. It's not that I'm in a hurry or anything like that. I just don't want to put a whole bunch of thought into it, you know. I want to, I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. Like, I just want to kind of see where it takes me. You know what I mean? And some of them come together like super great and easy and all that. And others are a little bit more difficult. It really kind of takes me out of my comfort zone. So that's one of the reasons I enjoy doing it, you know, because it's not my normal thing. And it's different than just a glue book, you know. It for me, whoops, now I'm just getting glue everywhere, guys. For me, I don't know. It just kind of we need to scooch this guy up some. Scooch up a little bit more. A little bit more. Oh, okay. Maybe that's okay. All right. Let me see. Okay, that's fine. All right. Yeah, sometimes I use a lot of bits, and other times, like this time, I'm not using a lot of bits, you know? I am, what's it called? Like, I don't know. I'm using multiple prompts for one thing, right? So, you know what? I think we might fussy cut this out, okay? So I didn't plan on that. Oh, sorry, that was my, we're gonna kiss cut it, which just means that you're like leaving an edge, a tiny edge around. Yeah, didn't plan on this, but I'm not liking the whole square thing with the rectangular postcard, so yeah. All right, it's hard for me to see where I'm supposed to be cutting. Okay, I think we're good. I think we're good. Let me see here. It's really hard for me to see. Let me just bring it over here. Sorry. I need to bring it out of the light because when it's in the light, it, you know, shows the other side of the paper, you know, what's on the underside. So it's kind of hard for me to see what's going on. So, okay, whoops, that went to the floor. Okay, halfway into the garbage. All right, yeah, I like that better. I do like that better. And then we're just gonna put this right down here, I think. Yep, there you go. That simple. That simple. I like the van cut out much better than not cut out, you know? Oh, come on, don't curl up on me now. All right, so we'll get glue all over that. I know you probably can't see me, I'm sorry. Okay, move that. And then we're gonna just put this right here, I think. Yeah, bus trip. Wouldn't that be fun, huh? My brother used to have I think it was a red VW bus. And my other brother had a VW Bug. It was a blue Bug. Now this is plastic, and I am just going to use 2 simple pieces of tape on it. Ugh. Okay. And that's it. This is just double-sided tape. Okay, let's put our glue cap on. Let's clean up a bit here, which, like I ever do that. Okay, so we'll take this off. This was rather, oh, easy peasy, because I'm not using, let's clean that up, because I'm not using a bunch of stuff, right? Okay. Should we put it here? Should we put it, I like it right there, I think. But I like it to be kind of straight, so, yep. Okay. Alrighty. Like, how simple is that, right? We could probably put something down here, or I could put a quote or something, but I like that it says kind. Okay, there's some glue on there. All right, let's just check out and see if we've done everything. This is like super simple. Because I didn't even put anything on the background. So a portion of food or drink label, that's this right here. So, yep. Postcard, yes. Why is this not rating on here? This paper is very glossy, so. Okay, an advertisement or an advertisement, which, I mean, honestly, either this or this can be used as an advertisement, really. But I think this is an advertisement as well as a postcard, so that's what I'm using that for. Something with wheels, the VW bus, yes. Money, don't tell my kids I stole that from their newest game. And something blue, which is, again, the money. Now, I could have gone, like, I guess I could have been a little bit more creative, you know, and, like, you know, put something on the background or whatever. But honestly, I like this cluster just the way it is. Sometimes simple is just nice, you know what I mean? Short and sweet, quick and simple. I like it. Okay, and I love how all the colors kind of go together. You know, the blue with this right here. You know, it has the yellow, the red. Well, there's no green, but blue, the blue of that. This right here, all these colors right here kind of mimic, you know, these colors here. So I like that. I'm wondering now, I don't know. If I add anything to it, I'll let you know. I was just thinking like maybe some black and white or something. I don't think I'm going to do anything. I think I'm just going to leave it as is. So, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that. Short and sweet. And here are my videos from this past week. So, if you haven't seen those, take a gander at them. Just go ahead and click that subscribe button and notification bell so you can get notified the next time a video comes out. And so that you can just go ahead and check out my channel and see all the videos you missed this week. Yep. So happy Friday to everybody. I hope y'all have a wonderful rest of your day. Have a fabulous weekend. And I will talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.